is Danton Soares. I'm from Set 2D, and this right here is my assignment 3 Pokedex hosted on Netlify. Here I have a list of Pokemons. It shows right here how many Pokemons are being listed based off of the current filter, and also how many Pokemons are being shown on the screen at a certain time. If you click on more, it will show more information about the Pokemon, its type, and its ID with 3 digits. Right here, you can see the pagination. It has 5 pages or less depending on the filter. And as you can see, no previous button right here because we're on the first page. But if you click on next, you can see that previous button shows up as well as a button to go to the first page and a button to go to the next page. And right here, it shows that it's showing 5 Pokemons out of 1025 because there's not 10 Pokemons to show, but it shows 10 Pokemons or less. If you filter based on, let's say, electric and flying, it will show 5 out of 5 Pokemons. And then if you click on more, it will show that the type is actually electric and flying for each of these Pokemon. Refresh the page, it will go back to the beginning and it has a nice preloader while the information is being loaded. Once it has been loaded, we can filter based off of anything we want. If we hit a filter that has no Pokemon, it will say that no Pokemon was found with the specific criteria. As you can see down here, it highlights exactly what page we're in at any given time by showing a different color to that page. If we right click and view page source, we can see that there's not much going on with the HTML right here. Everything is being fetched through JavaScript. So here we have a few placeholders and it's the same with the amount of Pokemons up here, which is an empty tag, and it's also being populated by JavaScript. So if we go back to the website and we click on inspect sources, JavaScript. So here we're fetching all of the information through the Pokemon API, and it's fetching details to populate the cards so that you can see all the abilities, stats, and more. Also creating all of the types with the checkboxes based off of the API as well, and populating the HTML with that information. Down here, I have a function to filter all the Pokemons based off of what criteria is being checked at a given time. And here, it updates the pagination based off of what page we're in. As you can tell, if we go to a filter that only has one page, it will only show one and not all of the 5 pages down there. So this is all being accomplished using JavaScript. Since I have a few asynchronous functions, they wait for the information to be retrieved before populating the screen with all of the Pokemons and their information. And also I have a few event listeners that will change the page based off of what user is clicking on. Also have my preloader being shown while the Pokemon information is being retrieved. And the filter to check if no Pokemon was found based on the filter to show a message saying that no Pokemon was found.